It's very common for us to have to wait several hours to transport a lab sample across from one of our facilities back to our main lab. And this technology, and so obviously that delays the result of that lab sample, so it delays care of the patient. And that's the standard right now in the industry. This technology can potentially shorten that down to minutes, and the benefits to our patients are clear. We can get them a result faster, and that helps our people take care of the patients much more efficiently.
M231 inside, I have command.
From the time a treatment is given or a sample is drawn, a blood and lab specimen sample is drawn, it can take upwards in a courier network 1 to 2 hours for that to be tested. And that's time that the doctors and the clinicians can use that information once tested to provide better care and patient care access. We believe that the drone technology provides a clear route for better effectiveness and efficiency as a solution for hospitals and clinical lab networks within the hospital environment.